As humans begin to overpopulate the planet, we've set our sights on new technology that can minimize the effects of population density. However, as our technology begins to advance, humanity has set its sights on the new frontier: space colonization. SpaceX's successful Falcon Heavy launch further solidified NASA's stand on allowing private companies to take part in space colonization. However, as we launch an increasing amount of satellites and rockets into space, low Earth orbit becomes incredibly saturated in pollution and space debris. In fact, low Earth orbit has become so cluttered that NASA believes we're close to experiencing Kessler syndrome. This is when the density of objects in LEO is high enough that impacts between these objects cause a domino effect of collisions. This could destroy all internet communication on Earth and literally throw the planet back into the Dark Ages. According to NASA, there are an estimated 7,500 tons of junk orbiting our planet at dangerous speeds. In fact, these conditions caused a paint chip, no greater than a centimeter in length, to collide with the International Space Station. Luckily, no astronauts were harmed, but the impact carried enough force to crack the protective glass on the station. It's estimated that this paint chip was traveling at around 22,000 miles per hour, or 13 times the speed of a bullet. This incident sparked mass debate across the scientific community. This reopened a discussion on what needs to be done to secure the safety of humanity and the purity of our planet. After all, this condition is not new. Since Kessler syndrome was first coined in 1978, the amount of pollution has continued to incline. Now the year is 2018, and this problem has gotten completely out of hand. As an engineer, I plan to help develop ways to counteract this problem. I want to help develop and protect the use of the solar sail technique, which launches a rocket into orbit that can attach solar sails to space debris, which sends the debris coming back towards the Earth's atmosphere, where it will burn up indefinitely. Some scientists have even proposed creating ships that can launch nets to capture space debris to also send to burn up in orbit. And I wish to aid in perfecting this method, or even lobbying towards an international space cleansing effort to safely dispose of the over 6,000 tons of non-operational junk that we have currently floating in our atmosphere. I want to do everything in my power to ensure that our trash problem we have here on Earth does not accumulate in space. I intend to use whatever influence I may have to make this topic and the severity of it the #1 scientific discussion when it comes to space exploration. I know that with my engineering skills, I can help contribute to eradicating space pollution in order to secure the beauty of this planet and those beyond our solar system for future generations to come. I'm ready to fix the space debris problem.